Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can measure crowd or traffic in Google Maps. So let's just get started. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So don't you worry about anything and just follow me. And now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps, and then over here on the top, just above the compass button, you'll be having this option, which is just looking like a box or something. Just go over here, and then from here just press on map details traffic. Just press on it, and now go to your, let's say, map, and now you can see here are lines which are presenting different things. So let's just get somewhere busy area. So over here, let's just see this green lines over here. It measures that there is no traffic or there is no crowd. The red line over here measures there is huge traffic or huge crowd, and the yellow line measures there is a mild traffic, or let's say less but not the least traffic or the crowd. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.